Hello, yes, it's me again. We've got some Amazon presents. Whoa, it's not really a present though, is it? Right, get this open. This is just a small one. Quite a simple one. And my cat's just come in. Is she going to jump up on stuff? I'm not sure. Let's put something on the floor and she'll lay on it like some cardboard. How about an Amazon bit of cardboard? She'll probably go and lay on that in a minute. Right, this is what we got. Because I did have another one, which was a cheaper brand, and it had USB-C one side and just standard USB the other side. Now I had to send that back from lovely Amazon because the USB-C side didn't work whatsoever, so utter waste of time. It was a cheaper brand. I have had issues with this brand though where they like to lock themselves, so let's hope this one doesn't do it because it's quite a nice looking one, a little metal one. Let's open him up, have a look inside. It says to use a pair of scissors, but I'm just going to rip it. I must figure out where I'm going to put this after I open it up because it's bloody tiny. Make it nice and easy. Oh god, we lost it straight away then. Okay, well it feels metal because it feels cold, so that's really nice. That is really cool, really nice. Like the shape of it, very minimalistic. Oh, and it's not just USB 3.0, it's USB 3.1. I have no idea what that means. I'm guessing it's a little bit faster. Let's have a look. Does it actually say? Oh yeah, it reads 150. Doesn't say what the right is though, which is a bit of a shame because I've actually ripped that bit off the box now, so I never know. Am I going to be able to pick that out? What an absolute dumbass. Yeah, I can't read that. Read speeds of that, and it does say write speeds lower and something based on normal testing. Oh, it doesn't really tell you. That's a bit rubbish. Doesn't actually give you a write speed. You can't do that. That probably means it's not a very good little thing. But anyway, that's all good. That one is out of the way. Oh, sorry, I don't know why that come from. Right, so that's rubbish. You need to put that somewhere safe, which is going to be next to my remote control there. Yeah, as I thought, the cat is sat on that bit of cardboard. Right, so here's a bit different. This is a hard drive from an Xbox One, which now doesn't work at all, as you can tell. And this little bad boy is a cable to attach that, so I could use that hopefully if I can get it formatted as just an external drive, which I know it doesn't have a case, but it doesn't really matter. It looks pretty good. It's quite small. Oh, this is from Benny Fee. I only got the USB one because I would have had to wait for the USB-C one, and I don't like waiting. Right, so let's see if it actually fits into this. Let's see which way round it goes. Right, that way round. This is fully wired, fully pinned, so it should work on any type of drive that's like this, like a laptop drive. It doesn't look like it fits, you know. Yeah, fits. Perfectamundo. So I might try that out later, give it a format and use it for storage for me videos or my photos. Absolutely fantastic. We're going to pop that one over here. Oh, this USB, it's SATA to, or USB to SATA, and it's USB 3.0. That's what it needs to be for this drive. Right, that goes there. Rubbish over there. Does it say anything else on the bottom of there? Not really, it's just your usual junk. Excellent. Over there. Right, this is something different again. It's not even the same sort of thing, and it's got a seal. This is the box. Now this is something for a car, for my car, because my headlight went out. And these bad boys, if you get them directly from BMW, cost you around £400 each. I'm guessing that is them fitting it as well. So I had a good old look on the forums, and BMWs don't make BMW don't make bulbs, so why wouldn't you just get them direct? I know these aren't a direct. Oh, got some lovely little gloves to put these in, because you're not meant to touch these. Oh, except I'm left-handed and that's a right-handed glove, but we're going to pop it on my left hand anyway. It's all Sam, whoever they are, that make the bulbs, and generally if you get them directly from them, they are what, 20 to 40 pound a pair, so it's a big difference. BMW, need to sort yourself out. These bad boys are just a different brand. I had a look at the they're just HIDs with a funny end. They're DS1s. So I had a good look at the reviews and everything, and everyone said these are absolutely fantastic. They're pretty much the same reviews as be careful putting that back in there, as the OME ones, and they're meant to be a little bit brighter, so hopefully that's win-win. So weekend we'll be popping them in, because it's not an easy fit. It's if I can't get to the bulb from behind, possibly at the top, but I don't think so from the top, but from behind the wheel, if I can't do that, that means the whole headlight jogging out, it means a bumper off and everything, and I don't fancy doing that in the winter. It's not very nice. Horrible weather out there, and I do apologise for the messy hair. Just had a hat on and I couldn't be bothered to do my hair for a video, or keep my hat on, because it doesn't look real if you do that, does it? Right, anyway, thank you very much. Like and subscribe.